Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time. Today I want to share with y'all my hair care routine for my heat damaged hair. These are the products that I use. And I know Olaplex isn't for everyone, but for me it works perfectly fine. It was a long journey to finally overcome my fears and wear my natural hair. I know some of y'all can relate to this. I was bullied in school for my curl pattern, that I didn't have straight hair. So I began to use a straightener. And I used it for 10 years non-stop. So since May 2024, I began to force myself to wear my natural hair. But since my mother didn't know how to maintain her hair, I had no idea how to take care of them. So I began to watch videos about how to define my curls, how to keep them moisturized, and I see a difference each day. They get longer, they shine more and more, and I actually began to love them. To anyone out there who's been through similar experiences, whether it's bullying or feeling pressure to change who you are, I want you to know that your natural hair is beautiful. So start to embrace it. At the end of the day, curls are a part of who you are. So put away that flat iron and start to take care of your hair. What I do if I really want straight hair for one day is that I put on a wig, but not for too long because your hair can't breathe through it. I was wearing wigs for 3 months straight and I glued it, and my hair started to fall out. I also tried to wear extensions, but that just made my hair more thin. I was always looking for something to not wear my natural hair, my natural curls, but I knew one day I need to face it. My hair was thin and short, and I didn't even want to go out like that the way my hair looked. By the way, I fell in love with the finger coil technique because it really teaches my hair to curl up again. Make sure your hair is really wet while you finger coil that hair. And basically, you treat your hair like love, because the more effort and the more love you put in a routine, the better your curls turn out. Most of the products that I used are plant-based, but if your hair is really thin, short, and destroyed, I would recommend a baby shampoo and conditioner for everything. So now I began to dry my hair on low heat. Low heat is really important because you don't want any more heat damage on that hair. This takes a while for everything to dry and build a cast. If you don't know what a cast is, it's when the styling product you use harden as they dry, forming the fine, firm curls. But to separate everything and build more volume, I use a hair oil. But make sure you don't pull too hard on that hair, because otherwise you will make the curls bad again. That's the final look. Everything looks moisturized, everything looks good. Now I'm feeling myself a little bit. And yeah, that was everything about how I moisturize my hair, how to take care of it, and how I face my fears of wearing my real natural hair. Thank y'all for tapping in.